Tired of complicated crypto transfers? I'll show you the simplest way to send USDT from Moonpay straight to your Binance account. First, open your Moonpay app and ensure you have USDT available in your wallet. If you don't, you'll need to purchase USDT first. Next, tap the Send button. It's usually located on the main screen or within your USDT wallet section. Now, head over to your Binance account, tap on Deposit, and select USDT. Choose the correct network for your USDT deposit. TRC20 is often the cheapest and fastest option, but double-check that it's supported by Moonpay. This is crucial. Copy the USDT deposit address provided by Binance, or use the QR code if Moonpay offers that option. Make sure to triple-check the address to avoid any errors. Return to Moonpay and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Review all the details carefully: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Moonpay will process the transaction. This usually takes a few minutes. You'll see a confirmation message in the app. Finally, check your Binance account. After a short while, your USDT should appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Moonpay to Binance.